Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks, and this is part 3. I started thinking while that video was loading, why don't we use some shadowing? So I'm going to use the Smart Fill tool. I'm going to fill that in. Don't really have to move them out of the way, but I like just moving out of the way. And then get your transparency tool, and let's go from like that corner to that corner. Now, whenever you see that happen, just back up. You were actually clicked on this one, so you need to select that one, and then you can see the magical box down there. Then click off of it and click this one. I didn't do a very good job of that one, but kind of get the idea. And then do the top, and I'm not saying this is the right shadow that you want, but we're going from light to dark. And if you go off what I did wrong, I did go off the board to get the whole thing, but you can always back up and go over your board. Now, just take your pick tool and just nudge them back over. Not gonna really be too much difference for laser engravers, but for a printer that would maybe want to do different colors from blue to white, it does give a little bit of, standoff look. And if you combine it, it takes away the color, so that didn't work. But you could probably increase the line width so it's maybe stand out a little bit more, or maybe even actually make the lines white. Let's try that. Or a light gray. Quite an effect. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.